First of all, I would like to say thank you to Ma'am Salis Putri for giving us the opportunity to do this assignment. So, you know how everyone always thinks that the Tyrannosaurus Rex was the fiercest and the fastest dinosaur ever? Like the ultimate predator. Yeah, but turns out that might not be completely true. Hello everyone, my name is Renata Brigitta and my student number is 0403-138-25-30-063, and right now I'm going to retell the passage 3, which talks about the Tyrannosaurus Rex, or as many people call it, the T-Rex. For many years, people have imagined the Tyrannosaurus Rex as a terrifying, fast and powerful hunter, almost like the Ferrari of dinosaurs. However, recent research shows that this image might not be completely accurate. Scientists now believe that the T-Rex was much slower and less agile than we thought. Researchers estimated that the average T-Rex could run at only about 25 km per hour. To give you an idea of how slow that is, a cheetah today can reach up to 100 km per hour. So, compared to the fastest animal on land, the T-Rex could seem almost sluggish. In fact, even though the T-Rex was dangerous, it wouldn't have been able to turn or change direction quickly. Its massive size and long tail made it hard for the creature to move smoothly, and turning too fast might have caused it to fall over. Researchers discovered this by using computer modeling and biomechanical calculation based on fossil measurements. They estimated that an average T-Rex weighed around 6 to 8 tons, which obviously affected its movements. The study also found that while humans could turn 45 degrees in a fraction of a second, a T-Rex would have needed 2 full seconds just to do the same. Even though it wasn't particularly fast, a T-Rex still had an advantage. Most of its prey, like the Triceratops, were also slow and heavy, so the difference in speed didn't matter much. Interestingly, the researchers suggested that the T-Rex might still have been faster than a human sprinter. The fastest Olympic runner can reach about 35 km per hour, which means if humans had access back then, we wouldn't have been able to outrun it. To sum up, this passage changes the way we see the Tyrannosaurus Rex. Instead of being a super fast killing machine, it was more of a massive but relatively clumsy predator. But still, it remains one of the most fascinating creatures in Earth history. Not because of how fast it ran, but because how it ruled its world despite its limits. Alright guys, I think that's all from me. Once again, thank you to Ma'am Salis Putri for this assignment. This video is part of my midterm test for English subject, and I really hope it reflects my best effort. Thank you guys for listening, and bye bye!